Hey guys, how are you doing? Everything good? I wanted to quickly show you how I organize my files and folders on my laptop in regards to content that I upload on a daily basis. So for instance, if you want to upload 200 to 300 videos or files per day onto YouTube or the different TikTok and Instagram platforms without getting confused, there's a way to organize it on your computer. So I'm going to quickly show you on the computer here. Okay, so as you can see here, I've got the different TikTok profiles or the different YouTube channels and so on. So here is my external hard drive. This is Elements D drive, right? If I click on that, it's going to give me all the different folders, and then I'm going to just click on a folder just to show you. Let's just choose Millionaire Mindset. So if I click on that, as you can see here, these are all the files that I still need to upload to YouTube. Right, so I'm tracking them. Every time I upload perhaps 10 folders or 10 files, then I push it into the backup. So when I go further into the backup, there's another backup for TikTok. So then I upload onto TikTok. Once I'm done with that, I push it back into the backup. Then I finally for Instagram, and then I've also got a backup for Instagram. Let me just show you here. So that's how I make sure that I've uploaded my different files or my different video content onto the different social media platforms. This is how you can do it effectively, and you can do quite a number of videos at a time. So I hope this information helps. I don't know if my way is the correct way. Perhaps there's a more effective way. You guys can comment in the comment section down below and let me know if there's a more effective way.